Hello my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. If today is the first time I'm stopping by, you're welcome. Thank you for stopping by. My name is Mary Dika and today's video is about this pretty makeup eye tutorial. So if you want to see how I got this look, please keep on watching and please don't forget to show me love by clicking the subscribe button. Thank you. God bless you. Thank you so much. I'm using this Mary Kay face primer to prime my face. I'm using this Revlon Color Stay Foundation in the shade Caramel 400 for my face. I'm using this Zekel Cosmetics Second Skin HD Foundation in the shade Honey to highlight. I'm using this Zekel Cosmetics Pseudo Fix powder in the shade Warm Honey to set my highlights. I'm using this benign banana powder to bake my highlights. I'm using this Iman Cosmetics Press Powder in the shade Medium Deep to contour. I'm using this Anastasia Brow Pomade in the shade Dark Brown for my brows. I'm using this Rios Zekel Eyeshadow Palette and I'm using the shade Coca for my eyes. I'm using this black gel eyeliner from Mary Kay Cosmetics to line my eyes. I'm using this Zaron Cosmetics mascara for my eyes. I'm using this NYX Zumbo High Pencil for my waterline. I'm using the same shade I use for my eyes, for my lower lash line. I'm using this MAC Cosmetics Gold Deposit Highlighter to highlight my face. I'm using this Zekel Cosmetics Sparkling Honey Dust Highlighter in the shade Moonlight to highlight my face too. I'm using this blush palette from Tara Makeup, and I'm using this shade right here for my shake. I'm using this MAC Cosmetics Fix Plus Spray to set my makeup. I'm using this liquid matte lip stain from LA Girl Cosmetics in the shade Backstage for my lips.